Yo, 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 this is Avery of A Very Good Idea. And I'm really into clothes and style, that kind of thing. Presentation, really just being creative. And I love textiles. And one of the things that I like to do is every few years update my wardrobe. I've been doing this ever since I can imagine. I really think it probably derives from me coming from New York, being born in Brooklyn, and being educated on really like the style of the day and seeing mannequins in the windows and the billboards and my next door neighbors and cousins and god brothers and god sisters, and just kind of seeing how the older people that was a little bit older than me, how they dressed, how they matched their shirts to their shoes, and all of that stuff. I really feel strongly that style is in the air of or in the lingua franca of a few places, and Brooklyn or New York City being one of those places. So I have a lot of that in me, and while I don't live in New York now, I actually I'm in Maryland. A lot of those tastes that were forged in me as a child are still there as an adult, and so I like to change my presentation, my look, modify it every now and then, and I'm at a place right now where I want to do that. And so I'm having a lot of fun with it. And one thing in particular is that I noticed that while I'm here at this place of updating my wardrobe, I really don't feel, I don't really see a lot of stuff out there that I want to buy to wear. And for the things in which that I am slightly interested in, it costs a grip. And honestly, like, I'm at a place where I really don't feel like spending a bunch of money on clothes, particularly if it's things in which that I'm like, yeah, I don't know if I'm really even feeling it like that. So I started to think, well, why not just create some stuff? Why not add to my wardrobe exactly what it is that I want, so that I'll be able to save money, obviously, because I got expensive taste. But also, it'll be exactly what I want. It'll be cut to my particular measurements and all of that stuff. And so the first thing that I wanted to start off with was shorts. And I was very fortunate to find a pattern. And I followed the pattern, and you see that these are the shorts right here. And let me take this down. So I was able to put these together, right? See that? It's kind of jiggy, right? It's fly. I'm feeling it. Y'all see what it is. So I was able to make these shorts out of this fabric here. You see, this is just a little bit that's left, and I got this from the fabric store not too far from where I stay. And I was able to follow this. I was able to come up with these shorts by following this pattern here. So here is, first let me show you these shorts up close here, so you can kind of see that right there. All right, it's the front, it's the draw strap with a cord. Kind of see up close a little bit some of the stitching there. And this is my first pair, so I'm learning how to do this, but I'm able to put it together. You see, got my label right there. A Very Good Idea. You know, you feeling that? So, and I followed this pattern here by a gentleman by the name of Norris Donta Ford. And you can kind of see what the outfit looks like, and the pair of shorts the pattern that I followed with it was these right here. And you see how long the cord is there? Well, that's what it is that I want to do. Today is I want to replace this drawstring with a longer one, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. And what I'm about to show you is something that you can do on a new pair of shorts that you created, or you can do it on a pair of pants, joggers, another pair of shorts that you have where the draw strap is loose or it breaks off, that kind of thing, or it's just not as long as you'd like it to be. You can replace it. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that right now. So the items that you'll need is your shorts, obviously, and then or your pants that happen to have the drawstring in there, and then you're gonna need your new drawstring or your new cord, right? And it can be any color. If you want to change the style, that's totally fine. I've done that before. So you have your new cord, and this cord should be at the length that you want. And what I did in order to measure this cord was when I was at the fabric store, and I took the ream of cord that they had, and then I just wrapped it around my waist, right? And then I just kind of took it. Let's see, I tied it just like that, and then the cord that was connected to the ream, I went ahead and cut it there. So that's how I got the length. So you want to have your new cord with the length that you want, and then you want to have something called a bodkin, right? And this item right here, let me see, it's called an easy pull bodkin. So make sure you can kind of see that there. See that? It looks kind of like tweezers. There you go. And it's got a washer on here which grips the tweezers. Yeah. So like that. And if you don't have a bodkin, then what you can use is you can use a safety pin, right? This one happens to be really big, so you want to use a safety pin that might be a little smaller than this, so that the safety pin fits through the holes of the waistband. But you'll see. So I'm not using the safety pin. I'm going to use the bodkin. I recommend you use this as well. It's really easy, and it fits through the holes of the drawstring of the waistband very, very easily. So in order to do this, what you want to do is first you want to pull the drawstring out of the waistband that's short, and if either side is tied or knotted or whatever, then you want to make sure you undo the knot. So both of these were knotted, but I undid this knot here. So it was pretty straightforward. So you undo the knot, get one side loose, and then well, let me just undo this so you can kind of see it. See me do this side, because the knot may not be able to fit through the hole of the waistband cord. So of the waistband cord hole. Yeah, so all right, so now that that's free, we can just pull. Make sure it's in frame here. We get this longer cord out the way so you can see. Wow. So this is a shorter cord. So that's out. Take that away, and now we see the waistband is free of the cord. And then let's put this new cord in. So you see the holes here, right? So I'll take the new cord, and then you're going to, it doesn't matter which end. It it doesn't matter which end you grab. So I'll grab the frayed end just to show you that it doesn't matter. But you can grab a less frayed end if your cord happens to be frayed. It really doesn't matter. So you just take the bodkin and grab a good piece of the cord, just like it's tweezers. So you just grip it just like that, right? If I let go, it falls out. So you're gonna grip it, right? I'm squeezing it with this hand like chopsticks or like tweezers. And so now we're gonna push the washer down so that the washer holds. See that? So that the washer holds the cord. So now that that's gripped very easily, you're gonna take the other end of the bodkin and then you're just gonna run it in one of the waistband holes, and then you just kind of feel it and work it through the waistband. Make sure it just doesn't get caught up on any material. All right, so now that you see it's punched up, so I'm gonna grab the waistband and pull. All right, so we're gonna do that. Just keep doing that until you get through to the other side. Same exact action. Exact action. Same exact action. So pull. Get to the other side. Okay. Make sure we're good. All right, make sure it's still coming around. We're almost there to the other side. All right, so now we got to the other side with the bodkin. Oh, there we go. Grab it and pull. Boom. Look at that. That's right. Come on through to the other side. Come on through to the other side. I think that's the lyrics. Let me just remove this. And now you got the longer cord. See that? Just like that. That's how you change the cord. See that? Didn't take long at all. All right, swag yourself out, man. You could make your shorts, make your outfits, put that together with your skating, you know, all of that. You can pair all this stuff up. And you know, really get your style on. So that's what I do. All right, let me know what you think. If you got any questions, comments, or concerns, you can always email me if you want to get in touch with me at Avery@averygoodidea.com. I look forward to hearing from you.